Hey everybody, it's NTW from the 3D Printing Geeks, and in this video we're going to be printing this. You ready? Set, go. Ready, set, go. So guys, as I said, we are going to be 3D printing this. This is a nut and bolt that actually twist together. I included the infill percentages, the print speed-ish, and how long it took to print, so, in the time lapse. So, I also am going to include a link in the video description to where you can find this on Thingiverse, so you can print it out. So, ready? Time lapse. So, that time lapse was okay. It isn't that interesting because you're just seeing the little ridges here. These little bumpy ridges here. I'll give it a little bit of grip to twist. So as you can see, it made threads on the inside of this, and clearly there's threads on here with a little bit of stringing. So what this does, is you can just put it on top, if it works. I can put it on top, and I could just twist it. And then eventually, it doesn't like to go that far, or else it starts making that clicking sound. So I don't like to go farther than the flush top of this here. This did break because I only printed it at 15% infill, but I lived. I just hot glued it back together, right down here, if you can see the hot glue. So yeah, so this does twist. It used a lot of filament. Actually, now I realize it was a stupid idea to make it. I made a smaller version of it, and then I sized it up 300 times in XYZ wear, and then I printed it out. So, yeah. So, that is the end of my nut and bolt video. Like this video if you liked it. Leave a relevant comment down below. Check the video description for the links. And subscribe to NTW. Right here, you can just click on my face, and it will give you a link directly to my channel where you can subscribe. And also subscribe to Computer Mayhem, where you can just click on his face, just like mine, and it will bring you to his channel, and you can subscribe there. So, and remember to subscribe to 3D Printing Geeks. You either subscribe over there, down there, or over there. So, I'll hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you next time. Peace out.